How to set custom widgets on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap hold on your home screen and you will see the option for edit. Tap on the edit option on the top left of your screen and then tap on the add widget option you see there. Further, scroll down and navigate to the photos option and tap on it. Here you will see a bunch of options available for widget for photos. Here as you can see I have featured and then I have album. So scroll through and tap on the album option you see there and then tap on add widget option. Make sure that you have already created album of your choice and your photo for your widget. Now, once you tap on add widget, here you will get the option to choose the exact album that you want to set as your widget. So go ahead and tap on the choose option and then choose the album where you have your own pictures and tap on it. For instance, I will tap on this particular album and now only the pictures from that particular album will appear on this widget. So this was about how you can set custom widgets on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.